Maddie. Overall, I thought your lesson plan was really, really interesting. I thought it was a fun way to teach meter, because that was not my favorite to learn about when I was in school. So I thought this was a pretty interesting way to teach it. Looking at the rubric for this lesson plan, your connection among content, pedagogical approach, and technology, I said was proficient, just because you didn't provide an explanation of how everything connects. Or if you did, it just wasn't clear where it was. The rationale for instructional strategy, I also gave you proficient because there was nowhere in your lesson plan where you talked or tied it to a learning theory. So if you just did that really quick, that would be pretty easy to do. The appropriateness of technology for instructor and student use, I said that it was proficient, but the only reason was because you didn't talk about why you weren't going to use other technologies. You only talked about um, the technology you were going to use. For the alignment to state standards for content and computer skills, I said that it was proficient because there's only one standard up here, and um, that's a Ohio standard, I believe, and then you also needed the standards that Dr. Stricker wanted you to put in there. For the completeness, it is complete. But I gave you proficient because I didn't see you mention Bloom's taxonomy, and there were no accommodations for students with special needs. Um, Using a website like this with someone who has visual disability or anything like that would be pretty difficult. So if you just made an accommodation, that would be great. And finally, for your language and mechanics, I said it was proficient just because nobody's perfect at that kind of thing, and you can always go back and check your work and make sure that you did everything well. So